Peter Eliades with you. This is the Stock Market Cycles YouTube update for Tuesday night, February 13th, 2024. We have not done a YouTube update for many, many months. There are a lot of reasons for that. I'm not going to start going into them for you here and now, but one of the reasons is we wanted to approach you with confidence in terms of having some very strong indications for you that we were at a potential market top of great importance. There are obviously never any guarantees. We've thought a couple of times over the past year or so that we could be at or approaching important market tops. I'm going to show you this chart, and it's the only chart I'm going to show you. And it's not the only evidence that I have, but it is very, very strong evidence of a potential market top. Let me tell you what we're looking at here. This is a weekly chart of the NDX and the Dow Industrials with a ratio NDX divided by the Dow Jones Industrial Average. Here is the ratio down here. There have been, the inception of the NDX was in late 1985, okay? So we're talking about almost 40 years of history in the NDX. 2,000 weeks of data. 2,000 weeks of data. There have been only 3 times, 3 weekly closes in that 2,000 week period where the ratio of the NDX over the Dow Jones Industrial Average was higher than 46%. The amazing thing is that those readings above 46%, NDX divided by DJIA, have almost pinpointed the 2 most important tops in the NDX in the last 40 years. So does that guarantee a top here? No. Didn't guarantee one back in 2021. In 2021, you could have said, well, wait a minute. We're back at a 46% ratio of NDX divided by Dow. That's what the market topped at the top of one of the greatest speculative binges in history, March of 2000. The reading there was 46.2%, NDX divided by Dow. And we went all the way down to readings around 10% and stayed there for a long period of time. Slowly worked our way back up again until by November of 21, with this fabulous rally in the last year or two coming into that November of 21 period, for 1 week, only 1 week, we had a reading above 46%. So at that point, you could point out this prior reading of 46% plus and say, well, you know, the last time we got up here was not very good for the NDX. As a matter of fact, it led to an 83.5% decline. So should we expect something like that here? It happened on the week ending November 19th of 2021. Now, you did not get anything close to an 83.5% decline, but you got a damn good decline, almost 38% to the downside into October of 2022. And then, once again, the speculation, feverish speculation, and that's what it is, feverish speculation. Artificial intelligence is going to be the new savior, the new redeemer. Perhaps technology stocks will never go down again. That's the attitude that you see at market tops, at very important market tops. You saw it here in March of 2000. You saw it here in November of 2021. And guess what? You're seeing it here again in February of 2024. For only the 3rd time in 40 years, in 2,000 weeks of data, there was a weekly close above 46%. The week ending February 9th of 24, just this past Friday, just 3 market days ago. Okay? So, statistically significant? I doubt it. Only had 2 prior readings above 46%. But oh my goodness, what did they lead to? Look at this and look at this. So here we are once again, over 46%. Now I know there are those of you out there, trollers, non-trollers, people saying, oh, here comes the Leidies again with another market top call. I'm showing you evidence, factual evidence of what happened the only 2 other times in a 40-year history where this ratio got above 46%. 46.2% week ending March 10th of 2000. 46.6% the week ending November 19th of 21. 46.5% three trading days ago, February 9th of 2024. And that's all I'm going to show you. I'm going to leave you with that. You make up your own minds. Insignificant? We're ready to go to S&P 6, 7, 8,000. This is just the beginning of this great new bull market. We'll see. We'll see. Meanwhile, print this chart out, take a picture of it. Use your cell phone, take a picture of it, print it and put it up on your wall. And let's take a look at it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 years from today. Let's take a look and see whether this was significant or not. 46.5%. And that's it. I leave you with that. This is where we closed Friday of last week. Ratio NDX divided by Dow Industrials, 46.5%. I've got no number to put down here, but I can put a big question mark down there, okay? And we'll see how it works out. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you soon.